Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 and Windows 10 the remote procedure call failed error. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open remote procedure call, check service is running, if not running start the service. Open DCOM server process launcher, check service is running, if not running start the service. Second method is system configuration settings. Third method is system file checking. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.